So there is a disclaimer that any trades that you take based on this analysis, any profit or loss that you encounter, it will be your responsibility. So yeah, the trades can go very wrong based on this analysis, and this analysis can even go wrong, and it can cause you a loss as well. So you have to take a decision as per your risk appetite and all. So yeah, be careful, and while taking trades, don't risk too much on the FNO positions. Thank you. Have a great day. Okay, to summarize the next day move, we can say that if Bank Nifty starts trading below 40,000, 41,000, then it could turn bearish. So we need to watch out that. And for upside, it should go till 42,200 and 400 something. Okay, we need to see whether there is a gap up tomorrow opening, and if 15 minutes it sustains the gap. Since there are no negative divergence seen here, we could safely assume that it's still going to go up and hit the targets. On the Nifty front, we would see that on Nifty front we would see that we want to have a gap up opening above 18,200, and first 15 minutes it should sustain about that. Then it should go and hit for target 18,400 and 470. That's the view on the Nifty. So yeah, and again, Nifty should not trade below 18,060 tomorrow, or it should not go below these levels, otherwise it's again bearish and it can again test the lower end channel. So that's all, and have a great day, and do hit the like button and share it with your friends. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye. Hello guys, welcome to Billionaire YouTube channel. So today again we are going to do a daily Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis and check what is the trend for the next day. So let's get started. And yeah, so yesterday when we were discussing in the video, we found that Nifty was creating a divergence, and it was already creating a divergence on RSI and all. Yeah, so similarly when in MACD it has created a divergence, if you could see here. So divergence is usually valid when there is a MACD crossover actually. Okay, so this crossover should happen. So same thing happened, and Bank and Nifty started going up. Initially it opened a gap up with a big gap, and taken resistance near 18,241. Okay, so our analysis was that it should go up from the current levels. And yeah, but then suddenly after opening gap up, it suddenly started a dip and hit a low of 18,968. So as per our view, we were having a view of Nifty respecting this level, 17,990. Yeah, but it went 20 points more down, so that is, you could say, expected. So some level, some points below going this is acceptable. And you can see that it has formed a channel here, right? So how you can draw the channel? Simply draw a trend line or use a parallel channel, whichever you prefer. So if you draw a trend line, clone it and place it on the downside, so that is also a parallel channel that you can create. So currently if you see here, during the day, I had a view that it will get resisted after like from these levels, 18,000 sub levels, because this is a major support, right? 18,000 is a major support as per the option chain. So after these levels I was expecting it to go up, but then I had seen that it had taken the resistance on this line. Okay, so I had a view of a zigzag correction of ABC, where it would go like this, okay, towards the 0.618 Fibonacci again. So 0.618 Fibonacci is very important number. You should remember it. Whenever there is a zigzag correction, it will go to this value. And how that's plotted, let me show you. So select a Fibonacci tool. On my screen you would see that that tool is present here, right? So select that tool, place it on the lower end of the price, and then higher end of the price. So 18,220 is the higher end of price which it touched, and this is the price which was low. So when should you draw that? Okay, there is a problem as well, right? you do not know whether the correction has started. So you would see that there is a significant amount of drop from this level till this point, right? So this is actually a pretty good correction and pretty good correction candle. So there you should be realizing that the correction would soon start. Okay, so then you should be ready for a bounce back and then drop towards 0.618, or as a C wave it will drop. So now I'm holding a view of up move, since on most of the uptrend 0.618 is respected. A deep correction from these levels are respected, and you would see that after hitting 18,060 it has given the bounce back. It has given the bounce back till 18,140 or something, 140, 150. So that is almost 80 points, 70, 80 points jump, right? So yeah, now when you see this, it's still trading in the channel. So one big push is needed, be that in the form of gap up. So gap up above these levels, 18,220 or 18,240 could open the doors for these levels. Okay, so this is an easy target, and I'm not expecting that it would drop from these levels, 18,300. When it opens gap above 18,200 or something, okay, tomorrow, you should expect it to go to these levels in next couple of days. So what are these levels? 18,400 and 18,470. So these levels should be it should go minimum. So this could be A, B, C correction, or even 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 going up. So our upside target is getting reduced again. So you would see that we are from these levels we are plotting upside targets, and now it has reduced since it made total three lows, right, from these levels. So now our upside target is reduced to 18,680. So that is the final wave from where the main dip should start. A dip larger than this should start. So yeah, that's view on the Nifty. So you would see that how the divergence can come in handy when you are working on 15-minute chart. So yeah, basically we should follow 15-minute chart. 5-minute charts divergences are happening since these levels, 18,300 sub levels, but yeah, those are not much reliable. So 15-minute divergence on MACD are very much reliable for taking up the reversal decisions. So you should check the candles as well during the near the supports. Okay, so here you would see that there is a support as well near these 0.618 Fibonacci. There is a support as well. So now what happens? Let's check on the option data as well for the Nifty. All right. So when you see this, you would clearly see that for the monthly expiry, we are having 18,000 as a major support, where there is a highest number of put writers. Put writers are the defenders for further sliding down, like they defend the levels. Okay, so the larger the put writing on 18,000 will give you the idea that this is the major support. Below this there would be big fall. Okay, so that was not expected. So this is a major support, and the major resistance was this one. Okay, so now you would see that there are call writing happened on these strikes, but that is nominal, that's not much big. Similarly, some put writing and happened on these levels. So and even on this level. So puts have got calls have got unwinded from 18,000. So this is one positive signs for the upside. And yeah, so the Nifty overall remained flat. It gave flat closing. So then when you go and check the built up, you would get idea what happened for entire day in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So built up, you can check from the concept app. So here you would see that there was long positions created in the Nifty and Bank Nifty. L stands for long, LU stands for long unwinding, this is for short, and this is for short covering. For some reason it was showing short earlier for the Nifty, but now it seems it's showing correct as a long. So this is the first sign that the downfall has stopped. So yeah, we should see some reversal in a next session. So yeah, let's check quickly a bank nifty chart. The video become quite long. Bank nifty. Okay, so on bank nifty, as we said correctly and as we analyzed correctly, this level was hit. Okay, 41,200. So our view was the correction should start from these levels. Okay, but looking at the bullish candles, one should know that whenever extension is breached, okay, with a good margin, it should drop. It should not go beyond 4,900. Okay, let's say 40 points of safety margin we can have. So if it starts a big drop from this, then you can safely say that it will not go further up the resistance it has found on the, and its wave is ending on the 0.6 minute. So since at the opening itself it breached this level, so I had an idea that it will go further up. So the next level was to watch this one. So then again it broken this level 14,000 to 90 something high it made in this candle. So then again there was next level that is open to us, and since it made 18,000 something 800 plus high, right? So then I'm now having a view of it's getting extended as 1 2 3 4, and then fifth is extended wave, third is also extended wave, but we cannot see a lot of internal waves of 3. But yeah, fifth is extended wave again, and it should hit this target. So that's what I'm believing. 42,200 to 42,400, these values should be hit. But yeah, bank nifty should slow down from these levels. Currently it's following the channel. So I have drawn channel for the previous days high, and connecting fourth point and this one and this one. So the weakness would only be seen in this once it starts trading below 41,000. So that's the summary of bank nifty. So bank nifty is still looking bullish for 40, another 1,000 points rally it can give. So that's what I'm expecting, since there is no divergence as such here, right? Price is going up, MACD is also going up. It might start giving negative divergence here, and price might go up further. But yeah, that's something that you need to watch for. So